Hello everyone, I'm Dharshana and I'm pursuing a BTech Bio-Technology degree in Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore. I am currently interning at National Sun Yat-sen University and I have been given this wonderful opportunity through the IIPP program formulated by NSTC. My project is based on STAT3 inhibitors and how STAT3 affects other diseases. I am tasked with writing a review paper on STAT3 and alongside with it I do experiments on Western blotting and cell culturing to find out the effect of STAT3 inhibitor. This project is done under Dr. Professor Shah and his guidance and experience has really helped me in achieving my results, and he has been very encouraging and he has given me a safe space to grow in the field of cell culture techniques. Additionally, I thank National Sun Yat-sen University for giving me this wonderful opportunity and for Karpagam Academy of Higher Education to support me throughout the process. I recommend every passionate student from Karpagam Academy of Higher Education to not give up and try pursuing an internship, especially abroad. You will not regret this opportunity.